welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So on this channel, we do share DIY crafts like lifestyle, how you can have flawless skin without using any toxic ingredients, and how to glow closer to God, and how to live a healthy lifestyle. So all this info is on this channel. So on this channel, I upload videos every day. So make sure that you watch out for videos every day. To my 109 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. You are my jewels. Hugs to you. And to all my viewers, I appreciate you too for watching my videos. Video, I'm going to show you how you can deep condition your hair with rice avo deep conditioner. So make sure that you watch this video until to the end. So after choosing your rice of preference, you can wash it to remove any debris and any dairy, because we don't want that dairy to be caught up in our hair. So now, dear friend, you know what? I'm super excited because I have never used rice water paste to make a deep conditioner. But of course, at some point, I had formulated rice deep conditioner, which was a request by a friend to formulate that deep conditioner. So now this will be my first time like doing this in my DIY excuse me, conditioner. So now we are discarding that water. This is very important. Have you seen? So that is the dairy we don't want to be caught up in our hair strands. And once you discard that water, then your rice is ready to be boiled. So we are going to boil our rice water on low medium heat, and we're just pouring our rice into the pot, and you have to make sure that you add in a sizable amount of water in preparation to boil it. So it has to boil and be cooked so that it's so soft to the touch. That's when it will be able to blend so well. Yes, so we are just pouring in about 150 grams of our water. In fact, I'm using tap water because this is a DIY. Yes, so now it's boiling. Like, you need to exercise some kind of patience because it may take quite 30 minutes to boil to the desired state that we want. Yes, so now at this point we're transferring it in the blender in readiness to blend it. So rice grain contains 75 to 80% of starch and 5% of protein. Now, benefits of rice paste: it detangles the hair, makes hair soft, makes hair stronger, help hair growth long. And a 2010 paper suggests that rice water reduces surface friction and increase elasticity, hence like makes the hair retains more rashes. But of course, like many hair growth of rice water has been reference to examples only, but it hasn't been studied scientifically, because there is of course, like less scientific evidence is not so much, so it relies on examples. So we are adding in our avocado, about 10 grams of our avocado. So avocado are extremely moisturizing and nourishing because they contain natural oils and both polysaturated and monounsaturated fatty acids. While these oils can be beneficial to all hair types, hence are especially helpful for dry, dehydrated hair. So the fruit is rich in vitamins that can nourish hair and help hair look healthy, shiny, and hydrated. Avocado is also a great source of biotin, and adding this B complex vitamin back in the diet can help hair to grow and more healthy. So we have added our honey. So honey is a humectant which draws moisture from the environment and moisturizes dry hair, reduces breakage, restores shine, improves condition of hair, and reduces frizz and softens hair. We also added our glycerin. Glycerin deeply moisturizes and hydrates hair. Glycerin is one of the best known humectants alongside honey. Promotes growth, reduces scalp itch. Glycerin is effective as a moisturizer because it acts as a humectant, pulling moisture from the environment and deep within the skin needs moisture. Many hair types suffer from dryness and could actually benefit from moisture boost glycerin gives to the skin surface. So actually, that is our watermelon glycerite. Yes, so it's so moisturizing and it will draw moisture from the environment, making our hair soft and lustrous. We are also adding in our neem oil. Is packed with antioxidants that prevent hair loss. Neem oil is the nature oil that is good for hair and scalp problems, promote hair growth, and prevent baldness. Neem oil has regenerative properties that support healthy cells, devise and stimulate hair follicles growth and function. It also helps in countering hair thinning caused by pollution, stress, or medication. So neem oil is such good in antibiotic and antioxidant properties, which prevent baldness as it treats scalp issues like scalp paralysis, which can lead to a permanent hair loss. Added in our aloe, which is so moisturizing, it doesn't strip our hair, it strengthens and repair hair. And also added in our avocado oil, which is good for moisturizing, it repairs, strengthens the hair internally. Yes. So now I'm starting off on pre-pulled hair. Like I actually left in my hot oil treatment more than 24 hours because I wasn't feeling okay. Yes, so that is the reason why I had to leave it on for more than 24 hours. So now in this spray bottle, there's water. We're just spraying our hair strands with water in preparation to start applying our shampoo on the scalp. So like all the products that I'm using in this video, I'll link them in the description box below. I have videos on every product that I'm using today so that you can check them out. So this is our strengthening fortifying shampoo which we had made. I'll link the video in the description box below. So like I just transferred it in this bottle of Eden Body Works, and I also did a video on how the different shampoos which I used to before I started formulating and which I still use. I will link that video in the description box as well. And make sure that you concentrate your shampoo on the scalp. This is very important because that is where the dairy is, and shampoo is always for the scalp, and condition is for the hair strands. So like as you can see, like there wasn't any foaming because of the oils which are in our hair. So like I decided to rinse so that I could reapply the shampoo, because this shampoo is so strengthening and fortifying and it doesn't strip your hair. So it's so good, like it didn't strip my hair. So now at this point, like we are working in sections. Working in sections is very important because it helps with whatever product you are using to be coated to your hair strands. So now when I'm done, I just braid that section so that we are not disturbed, so that we are able to apply the shampoo on the scalp. So as you can see, like I transferred to a small bottle because like I was having a challenge with the other bottle. Yes, so that is the reason why you are seeing I'm using a small spray bottle. So like I was quite heavy handed, and to my 109 subscribers, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. Yes, so this pushes us to continue doing more informative videos for you. And to my viewers, I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos. I know that one day you are going to subscribe. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And if you're new on my channel, you can kindly click on that red subscribe button and subscribe now. So as you can see, like I rinsed my hair and then started reapplying my shampoo on my scalp. As you can see, the foaming is shown. Yes, so like these products, they really work well for my hair, and I did a video reviewing my own products. You can check that video out, or I'll link it in the description box below. So like I do formulate products and sell to families and friends because I haven't yet launched, but by the grace of God, I'm likely to launch next year. Yes, but of course I'm going to share everything on this platform. Yes, so as you can see, we are concentrating our shampoo on the scalp. This is very, very important. Actually, you know what, friends? Today, I'm going to show you like the before and after results. So this video actually is about, wash and condition. So I'm super, super, super excited to see how our rice avocado deep conditioner will work for our hair. Yes, so make sure that you don't go away. Yes. So if you have like used rice and avocado deep conditioner, you can kindly comment in the section below how it worked for you, or if you are going to make the one we made, you can kindly comment in the section below. this point, we are done applying our conditioner. Now we are our shampoo, so we are going to rinse. Yes, now we've just rinsed out our hair. I'm telling you, like, our hair is so clean and it's not stripped. It's so soft to the touch. So we are just braiding that section which unreviewed so that we can start applying our rice avocado deep conditioner to our hair. So I'm super excited, dear friends, to try out this deep conditioner for the very first time. So this is how it looks like. Yes, so now we are applying it section by section. So at this point we are done, and that is how much is left. Actually, it's more enough than for one application. So now we are getting a plastic bag in preparation to put on our bonnet hair dryer. So like I'm not going to sit under a bonnet hair dryer for 30 minutes like I do always, because it's really hot, dear friends. Like I can't contain it. So I only sit under a bonnet dryer for 15 minutes because it's extremely hot. Yes. So now I'm getting a bonnet and putting it on, and I'm going to set it on low heat. This is very important. You don't have to set it on higher heat because you don't want it to scorch your scalp. Yes, so you can actually purchase this hair bonnet dryer on Amazon or eBay, and you can also purchase from Cassia Naturals. So I'm reading this book, Big Picture, by Dr. Ben Carson, one of my favorite writers. Yes, so I was reading on the topic, learn to love people. So if you really love people, being nice to them is almost second nature. For me, this strategy is closely connected to my personal faith. I believe what the Bible says in 1 John chapter 4, verse 19 to 21. We love because he first loved us. If anyone says, I love God, yet he hates his brother, he is a liar. For anyone who does not love his brother, whom he has seen, cannot love God, whom he has not seen. And he has given us this command: whoever loves God must also love his brother. If I say I love God, I have no choice but to show it by loving and being nicer to other people. So do unto others. We cannot forget all 5 of these strategies if we just remember the best strategies of all. The golden rule which Jesus gave his disciples, he boils it, the be nice idea, down to one simple sentence: do unto others as you would have others do unto you. That is the most comprehensive plan for being nice and I have ever seen. Yes, I'm sure you have benefited. So it's been 15 minutes and we are going to rinse out our hair. So like I'm telling you guys, it was so hot. I can't wait to rinse out our hair and see the results. So I've just rinsed out my hair. I tell you, my hair is so soft to the touch and strengthened. So make sure that you comment in the section below if you are going to try this mask. Yes, I'm super excited. I'll be incorporating it in my routine. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. God bless you. See you in my next video.